so the air comes in, all the dirt hits the deflector. This is the washable gauze filter.
Yes.
Its ergonomics in relation to emptying, so it's a tip arrangement and pivots over the top of a bracket. So it's quite, even full with water, if you sucked a pit, it's quite easy to dump. Yeah. So and if you did fill it full of water and you wanted to dump that, there's a water drain as well.
Yeah.
In relation to weight, it's 78 kilos. If you wanted to lighten the weight to load it, these are all quick releases, so we can take that off. So we'll just, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's it. So even in relation to your tips, like me working in this direction here now, I put that in a direction like that. Come back. You want to watch? Does he want to watch that bit there, or? And it's got a dump feature. So, in relation to this here, I put in the garden bed.